Lee wraps this one on the ground. Fair. It's down the right field line, and Lee is on the move.
Is he a primetime guy or
Lee is
what?
going to put on the brakes at second.
Of the big city, hard hitting, and what's he do? Lift and separate twice.
Left-handed hitter. Pitch taken. The throw to third is not in time. Lee steals third.
He's going to make
Lee his second base run. Hope to build on that. They first and doubles.
There's a shot.
Lee still coming in, still coming in.
Goes Judge.
But they got to do something on the mound. When players say,
there's a shot. High and
That's
deep.
his
Back
second
goes
home run.
Judge.
Yankees are going to conference, and Jung-Hoo Lee will come up. Giants' first hit of the game and their first run against Rodon. And right field, Judge has made himself at ballpark.